This is Acadiana's News Channel at 10.
So glad you could join us. Well, some in law enforcement are calling for changes to current gun laws after the shooting death of Lafayette Police Corporal Michael Middlebrook.
In court this week, we learned his accused killer, Ian Howard, bought the gun used to kill Corporal Middlebrook just weeks after a mental health evaluation. Tonight, Justice Henderson takes a closer look at the laws and why some say it's time for a change.
A common debate in the wake of gun violence is the issue of mental health versus gun laws. And now, the death of Lafayette Police Corporal Michael Middlebrook is touching on both. According to testimony in court months before the deadly shooting, Ian Howard was detained by police who were investigating a theft at a Lafayette grocery store. Howard was brought to a hospital for a mental health evaluation because police were concerned about some of his statements. But days later, he bought an AR-15. Then weeks later, the gun used to kill Corporal Michael Middlebrook.
They've been evaluated and checked by a mental health provider. We need to put a red flag by their name, and law enforcement has to do a better job.
St. Landry Parish Sheriff Bobby Guidreau thinks mental health evaluations alone should stop people like Howard from buying a weapon.
We have to come together and quit talking about it. We have to sit down and just decide how we can fix this.
But on the issue of mental health, federal law prohibits the possession or purchase of a firearm or ammunition by anyone who has been adjudicated as a, quote, mental defective. In other words, unless a court ordered him held in a mental hospital, he was able to legally purchase the weapons.
Well, if he was evaluated by mental health providers and that information would have been entered into the database when he bought the weapon, somebody would have saw it. Somebody would have checked it and said, "No, you can't have this weapon."
In St. Landry Parish, Justice Henderson, KATC TV3.